All right, guys, we got a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4.0 Limited. Got a custom bumper, got a custom lift. Really nice Jeep. They're gonna put a winch on it. They gotta make it a little bit bigger to make that winch fit. But anyways, got converters up there, got a secondary converter there. Then we did a muffler delete on it for them. They wanted some sound. We said, okay, we can do it for you. Then left the original tailpipe and added them a custom 4-inch angle cut black tip, as you guys can see right there, because they're gonna put a black bumper on the back too, so it'll match it really nicely. There's a stock muffler that we cut off right there. We don't like mufflers. Going to the scrapyard. And that's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah. If you want more sound, you gotta take that cat out and put a high flow in its place. If you want more noise, that third cat, because there's no sensors on it. So we can put a really small piece of high flow. Here's sound decibels. Again. Dude, 112. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it out. Yeah. That sounds phenomenal, guys. Yeah, baby. Straight pie. Let you guys hear on the inside. See him go beast mode in the Jeep. Got a nice idle to it too. Nice. Enjoy, guys. Traffic, man. I hate traffic.